Whoa! You see this? I woke up to the third day of spring to like tons of snow. And when there's tons of snow, you gotta get out. Let's go. Which socks do I go for? Colorado flag socks or Captain America? Of course, Captain America. Look how awesome these socks are. Now we go downstairs to get the jackets and mittens and hats and stuff. Alright, which jacket? I have a lot of these things. I love snow day. This is awesome. I haven't worn this jacket in a while. Look what I found in my pocket here. I have a New Belgium beer token. I have some chapstick. And this is the coolest one. This is a piece of rock from the Matterhorn in Switzerland. The big question now is, should I wear these glasses? I think so. You ready to rock? Time to see the world. I love it. This is pretty much like walking around in a giant Slurpee. When Boulderites hear that sound, they get a little nervous. We had a huge flood a couple years ago. And these roads, bringing back those memories.
Hi.
This is what happens in spring snow in Colorado. The branches can't handle it. Stuck car. More little push. Oh, we're humping it there. Come back a little bit again. We're so close. Ooh, it's a tree cave. Wanna come into my tree cave? Tree cave. We're heading west. Oh, and I fell. Should do a snow angel.
Right here?
Looks good. Ah, this is comfy. You know, there's something magical about a snow day. They don't happen very often. They're usually spontaneous. There's no more exciting feeling in the world than a freaking snow day. They only happen like once a year, and when they happened, it was just pure joy. So this day right here reminds me of so many fun childhood memories. Snow days are almost like Christmas as far as like excitement level. Thanks for watching. Now get up off that couch, get outside, and make some magic happen. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed the video, please like it, leave a comment, subscribe, tell all your friends, and stay tuned for more fun. I promise we're gonna have a good time together.